The Jeanne and Cotton Show. Whoa. Hey there, girls. Welcome to the Jeanne and Cotton Show. So today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite vending machines I have made. My claw machine. It is amazing. This is mine and my mom's mechanism. So there is nothing in here. Like you want me to prove it. So all you have to do is add a ticket or 25 cents. Put it in. Just like that. And then you will play. So you here is the claw. It's just a little really cool and you go for it. So let's look at what the options are. Woo! It's hard for me to do it because I'm not looking at you guys. I'm not looking forward. Okay. And look. Ooh, and it's falling. I will show you the mechanism too. Got this panda bun. And the mechanism is, here's the top. Just the top, you know, just has this pretty tape around this. This for the coins and back. Open and close this. Pretty simple. So that's the front. And this, guys, this is removable. So there are lots of squishies in here. And this is the plastic part. It's just like a little lettuce thing. And then you go for it like this. And you drop it, and then it'll fall, and this, you know. So it's really fun, and guys, I used the mechanism, this claw, for a jabber jaw in origami. So this is very squishy. So here's the strawberry. And I have tons of different ones in here. I don't know why I just showed you the strawberry, but here is the back. It is really cute green with these letters, and Cotton is acting very funny right now. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you. So the coins, this is what the back looks like. So when you put the coin in, it'll go right in this hole, and this is what holds it up. This up. That looks really fun, and we just did that because it could show a little bit. So it looks really nice, and all you have to do is pull it up and put it right here. As you can see, this is right here, and the squishy will just fall, and you get it. So it's really easy storage since it's just a box. So all you have to do is put this over here, and ba-bam! So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I absolutely love this vending machine. Bye, everybody.